time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today I've got one made in Hong Kong. This is a Thai style crab curry cup noodles. And yeah, very cool. This comes by way of Ferengi, newest moderator in the Section 42 gang. We moderate the Ramen Junkies group, and it's fun and enjoyable, and really stoked to have her on board. So right on. She's from Australia, and yeah, it's good stuff. All right, so there's that. We've got. Whoop, 3 minutes. So I was gonna get started. I was gonna mention in the last episode about us doing all this walking, trying to get the kids out, doing walking, stuff like that. And it's summer, you know, it's summer vacation for the chillins. And yeah, yesterday I think we walked like 4.5 miles. I walked with them, and they did really good. Today I think we're gonna go to this other park this morning. It's only 8:15, so we should be able to get out before the heat of the day. They're still getting used to it. It's supposed to get up to like 80. I mean, don't want to cook the children so much. But yeah, they don't want to be cooked. And yeah. Thai style crab curry. We'll see how this goes. Sometimes these are better and sometimes these aren't. The one that I liked was the seafood curry that they did. And I'm curious also to find out what the Thai styling of this is. I won't be surprised if it has a coconut element to it. That would make sense to me. Thank you to Nissin for making labels that are easily peeled off. I really appreciate that. Makes my life a heck of a lot easier when I can scan the label before I'm doing the episode. I get a lot of them that you can't do that with. And then after, you've got to like peel it apart after it's been cooked, make sure the scanner bed is clean. You know, when you're scanning your instant noodle packaging, you know. I don't know, I feel like, doesn't everybody do that? Doesn't everybody spend all this time processing images of their instant noodle packaging like me? No? Well, that's okay. Yeah, once, I don't know, I used to hear a lot more from Hong Kong, and I really don't anymore, and that kind of bums me out. I don't know what's going on over there, but we will see. Maybe I should contact Nissin over there, see if they've got any new product samples to review. Their stuff's really good. It's a lot of fun. We'll see. Alright, so that's good. Let's take a look at this. This is really in a bad spot. This is as well. So, crab curry. I kind of want to try the... That display almost looks like it needs to be cleaned. Here's our noodle. Should be a standard flat, I'm guessing. Cheers. Standard flat, weird noodle. Here's our broth. Yeah? Thai style, huh? It's good, but it's like confusing. So I have some pork left, and I have some shrimp left, which I think will complement this well. So I'm throwing that in. Yeah, normally you'd have crab stick, but I don't know, there's like certain add-ins that I have on hand and certain ones I never will, mainly because, or unless I can get like one or two of them for a couple reviews, because it doesn't serve anybody to get a whole bunch of one thing and have it sit in the freezer, get freezer burnt, and then just eventually get chucked. So, that one. Or that one. We'll go with this one. I hope this one makes it look nicer than the other one. This is one of my new little bowls. My little bowls. I also have extremely enormous bowls as well. So there's that. Got some recycling last review's basil. Can't waste the basil. The plant outside worked so hard to make it. And that bean sprout just going to be too much not color. Wow, our fridge is buzzing like no tomorrow. Oh, come on. Why are you being like that? You're like, one more piece. And I think crushed red pepper would go well. And we'll do some seed. That's that. 2 down, 2 to go. Alright, thanks for watching. For our next one, we're gonna do this. This is Paldo Tumse Ramen from South Korea. This one's definitely packaged for US export sales. Even had a little thing that says like code US. So yeah. Alright, so that'll be the next episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks again to Ferengi for sending so many cool varieties that I have absolutely zero chance of getting here. You'll be seeing those coming up over and over and over, so that's rad. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.